Guys, what we have here is the Revuelto Opera Unica, sculpted by Sardinian seascapes. Yes, this took 475 hours of hand painting craftsmanship. This unique Lamborghini, the Revuelto Opera Unica, is a one of a kind creation inspired by seascapes of Sardinia, featuring intricate hand painted details. And folks, this is awesome. Now, the craftsmanship, the car exterior paint effects require an additional 475 hours of specialist craftsmanship using unique techniques like brush and spatula painting. Now, the interior design features a new embroidery application with three-tone stitching, reflecting the hues of the Sardinia waters. And you'll see that later, folks. Now, the performance, the Revuelto is a V12 hybrid plug-in HPV, delivering 1,015 CV and capable of accelerating from 0 to 100 in 2.5 seconds. The Lamborghini Revuelto Opera Unica is a unique, one-of-a-kind creation, so its price isn't typically listed like standard models. However, given its exclusivity and the extensive craftsmanship involved, it will likely be significantly higher than the base model Revuelto, which starts at $500,000. Now, the Lamborghini Revuelto Opera Unica boasts impressive performance. V12 hybrid plug-in HPEV high-performance electrified vehicles, a power output of 1,015 metric horsepower. Now, the acceleration from 0 to 100, again, like I said earlier, 2.5 seconds, a top speed of 217 miles per hour. Now, the hybrid systems combine a powerful V12 engine with electric motors for enhanced performance and efficiency. Now, the combination of power and advanced hybrid technology makes the Revuelto Opera Unica not only a stunning piece of art, but also a high-performance supercar. Now, the Lamborghini Revuelto Opera Unica offers a range of customization options, allowing owners to tailor the car to their personal tastes. Now, here are some of the key customization features. Now, the exterior customization, the paint. A unique hand-painted details inspired by specific themes, such as seascapes of Sardinia. Now, this includes special techniques like brush and spatula paintings. And then we have the wheels. Now, various designs and finishes to choose from, enhancing both the aesthetics and performance. And then we have the carbon fiber elements. Customizable carbon fiber components for a more aggressive look and reduced weight. And again, we have the interior customization. The upholstery, which is high quality material such as leather, alcantara, carbon fiber, available in a variety of colors and finishes. And the stitching, custom embroidery, and the stitching patterns, including three-tone stitching that reflect the specific themes of your personal preference. In the trim, the different trim options including bespoke material and finishes to match the overall design of the theme. And then we have performance customizations, exhaust system options for different exhaust notes, and performance characteristics. In the suspension, the adjustable suspension settings to tailor to the driver experience to your preference, whether for comfort or performance. And then we have the technology and features. Now, the infotainment system is customizable interface and features a premium audio system and advanced connectivity options. Then we have the driver assistance. Now, various driver assistance and safety features that can be tailored to your needs. Now, these customizable options ensure that each Revuelto Opera Unica is truly unique, reflecting the owner's individual style and performance. This is something else, folks. Now, the delivery time for a customizable Lamborghini Revuelto Opera Unica can vary based upon the level of customization and the specific requirements of the order. Generally, it can take up to several months to over a year to complete a bespoke vehicle like this, considering the intricate craftsmanship and unique details involved. And a lot of these type of vehicles, you had to have cash up front, and sometimes they do installments where you pay one installment at the beginning, then you pay another installment, and at the end you have everything paid for. Now that's what they usually do with the Bugatti. I don't know about this particular model. It might be different, folks. You can hook up with your financiers to find out what this to be about. But now let's talk about what it is to order a customizable Lamborghini Revuelto Opera Unica. Now, the existing process that involves several steps to ensure your unique vision is brought to life. Now, here's another view of the process. You have an initial consultation, contact the Lamborghini dealer, reach out to the authorized Lamborghini dealership to express your interest in a custom Revuelto Opera Unica. Discuss preference during the initial consultation. You'll discuss your preference, ideas, and any specific themes or inspirations you have in mind. And then you have the design phase. You collaborate with the designers, work closely with Lamborghini design team to create a bespoke design. Now, this includes selecting exterior paint, interior materials, stitchings, patterns, and any other unique features. The review proposal. Now, the design team will present proposals and sketches based on your input. You have the opportunity to review and refine these designs until they are perfectly match your vision. And customizations and craftsmanship is the third phase. Now, specialist craftsmanships, once the design is finalized, the car will undergo a meticulous customization process. Now, this includes hand painting details, custom embroidery, and any other bespoke elements. And then you get the regular updates. Now, you receive regular updates on the progress of your vehicle, including photos and reports from the craftsman working on your vehicle. And then you have the final approval and delivery. The final inspection before delivery, you have the opportunity to inspect the finished vehicle, either in person or through detailed photos and video. And then you have the delivery arrangements. Now, once you approve the final product, delivery arrangements will be made. Now, this can include transportation to your location and any special delivery ceremonies or events. And then you have post-delivery support. Ongoing support. Lamborghini offers ongoing support and maintenance service to ensure your custom Revuelto Opera Unica remains in pristine condition. You have exclusive events. Now, as the owner of the bespoke Lamborghini, you may also be invited to exclusive events and experience organized by Lamborghini. Now, this process ensures every detail of your custom Revuelto Opera Unica is tailored to your exact specifications, resulting in a truly unique and personalized supercar. This is awesome, folks. Now, the cost of customization for a Lamborghini Revuelto Opera Unica can vary widely depending on the level of details and the specific features that you choose. Now, again, I think we talked about this earlier. We have the exterior paint and finishes, unique hand painting details. We have the interior materials. So we have the performance upgrades. We have the technology and features. Now, the estimated cost. Now, the basic customization starting from around $50,000 to $100,000 for more standard customizations. And then you have the extensive customizations. They can range from $100,000 to several $100,000, depending on the complexity and exclusivity of the features. Now, when you look at all this, you have the exterior paint and finish, which unique hand-painted details and special techniques can significantly add the cost too. Then you have the interior materials, high-quality materials like bespoke leather, alcantara, and custom embroidery can increase the price. Then you have performance upgrades, custom exhaust system, suspension settings, and other performance enhancements can also add to the overall cost. And then you have the technology and features, advanced infotainment systems, premium audio, and additional driver assistance features can contribute to the price as well. And again, we talked about it being from 50 to 100,000. That's just for basic customization. And then you have the extensive, which can range to 100,000 to several $100,000. Now, given the bespoke nature of the Revuelto Opera Unica, the total cost can easily exceed the base price, which starts at 500,000, which we can see here. That is something else, folks. It is something else. But when you look at things, when you look at things specifically in line with Lamborghini, you see that they have customizations on cars, such as the Agosta concept car, which has a price tag of $117 million, which is like a one-off car. That's just some idea of what you're looking at. But this one's totally different. You're not going to have that kind of price. You guys, this is all the information on the Revuelto Opera Unica, sculpted by Sardinia Seascapes. 475 hours of hand painting craftsmanship. This is awesome, folks. And let's look at a little bit more of the press. Now, there was a press meeting on August the 1st of 2024. Now, Lamborghini presents the Opera Unica, or So Revuelta, created by Ad Personam personalization department, along with Lamborghini Centro Stile, honoring the distinctive blues and seascapes of the Italian island of Sardinia. Now, unveiled at an exclusive dinner at the Lamborghini Resort in Cala Di Volpe, adorned in blue tones for the occasion, in the heart of one of the most beautiful high-end holiday destinations in Italy. Now, Lamborghini Opera Unica car celebrates the innovation of the creativity, inherent art found within the super sports cars, which is the heart of the brand, says Stephen Winkleman, who's the chairman and CEO. Now, our clients can explore colorways detailing different material, embroidery finishes inside and out, with an Ad Personam to produce a Lamborghini that is truly personalized to them. Now, this Opera Unica takes the creativity even a step farther, demonstrating paint techniques and interior finishes that are reserved for the Opera Unica one-offs, presenting a truly unique art piece, reflecting the distinctive seascapes and emotions of Italy, most beautiful island destination. Now, in addition to the standard production time of a Lamborghini Revuelto, the exterior paint effects commanded 475 hours of craftsmanship. The Opera Unica creation was realized by meticulously masking the car's body to create a canvas for the paint localized two-tone, three-tone paint. Fading was enhanced by brush painting, reminding you of the waves hitting the cliffs. Now, special coating techniques were used to personalize details such as start-stop button covers and the nominal plate. Now, the interior embroidery finishes require 85 hours alone to produce the new tool required for the watery stitching effects dedicated to the Opera Unica. This is something else, folks. The unique Revuelto employs Lamborghini Ad Personam, specially developed paint techniques, showing off the intriguing angles and the lines of the car like the modern architecture. 3 separate shades of blue are combined using Lamborghini craftsmanship and utilizing the brush and the spatula to create special effects reserved for the Opera Unica, inspired by the crystalline seas of the Sardinia bubbles of water and the deep blues of the watery caves. This is something else. Now, the darker and lighter shades of the blue are used across the various surfaces of the Revuelto with clean definitions between different hues accenting the intriguing planes and the lines of the car. Now, the light blue turret features a base color on the front panels of the car in the roof, contrasting with the bright blue Cepheus used to cream fading effect in the rear panels. Now, the blue Okinos is combined as a third blue to create an even deeper fading effect on the bonnet and around the front splitter. And this sets off by a black Naraboca paint, shiny carbon splitter, and seal in the shiny black with a diamond polish. Alternero rims with the black carbon ceramic brakes. Man, this is just some distinctive characterizations. Now, the drag brush and the spatula paint effect carries waves of 3 blues across the rear, from the front to the rear side, rear invoking a sparkling turquoise blue found in the refracted light of the sea over the sands and the stones. Imagine getting a car like this in an accident. You would lose your brains. Who could replace this art? Now, the complementary interior features blue Delphius as the main upholstery colors, a set of lighter blue Amans on the seat backs, on the doors, and the trimming in the center consoles, with contrasting white Bionico Lita stitching and piping, and the seats stored in the panels and the tunnels and the roofline introduce a novelty of Revuelto embroidery. Now, the application using a specific developed tool in the 3-tone stitching of the blue Amman, the blue Cepheus, and the Bionico Lita that recalls the sparking hues of the Sardinia routers. Now, this effect is echoed in the blue mirror carbon Opera Unica plate on the rear walls of the cabin and the start-stop button cover of the center console. Wow, folks. There are so many. This is just, man, what a piece of art. The Revuelto is the first super sports car V12 hybrid plug-in, which we talked about earlier, and got a little bit detailed about this car. But man, this is one awesome car. And yes, it took 475 hours plus to make this vehicle. The Revuelto Opera Unica, sculpted by Sardinia, seascapes. Something awesome, folks. Remember, like, share, and subscribe, and have a fantastic day.